Shalom. One of the things I want to help many of you out with is being able to understand that there's always a way out. Now, many of you have heard me mention making sure you have the appropriate vehicle. So when things hit the fan, or SHTF, when things hit the fan and the grid is down, you're going to need a vehicle that's going to be capable of off-grid, that could maneuver through most terrains, whether they be hilly or muddy or whatever. And you've heard me mention to you either upgrade or invest in your truck or SUV that you already have. These vehicles are capable in many ways, especially if they are 4x4. But let me tell you something else. If you have a car and you don't have the funds to upgrade to those particular vehicles, do yourself a favor. Make sure you go to your local U-Haul store and ask your local U-Haul to place a hitch on the back of your car. Here's the reason why. Most cars don't come with hitches, and most often people never consider on adding one to their vehicle. With a hitch, you'll be rated to pull a certain amount of weight depending on your car and your rear end. It's best to do this because it's very affordable and inexpensive. Max costs around $300 to $350 or less. If you have your own hitch, then great. If it can be retrofitted to your vehicle, awesome. The reason why you want a hitch, because you can now pull a small trailer and tow your goods, so whatever you have, in case you need to, well, get out of Dodge. This is very important information. Trust me, I know you don't see it right now, but anytime you can haul or pull more than what you can carry inside of the cab of your vehicle, it's going to be of great use and great benefit to you. I suggest you folks look into adding a hitch to your vehicle. If you can and you can't afford to upgrade to a truck or an SUV, my recommendation is based on my vain opinion, and that would be a Toyota Sequoia, Tundra, or a 4Runner. Shalom.